jaw, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting feelings, but I won't leave you. We're everything.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For those of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Here on our channel, if you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, and of course live a fun and free lifestyle, then make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. For those of you who've been watching me for a while, thank you so much. I say it every video, but I really do appreciate the support and the engagement and the comments that you are all leaving on my videos. It helps me continue to keep making these videos for you guys. Now let us get into this copper and bronze eye makeup tutorial that I did. So I have a coupon code with Ttdeye. They reached out to me on Instagram after I tagged them in a brief mini makeup tutorial that I did on Instagram. If you're not following me, here's my Instagram handle, go follow me there. And so they reached out to me and let me know that they would have a coupon code for me to use for you guys. Yay! So I'll put it right here on the screen. Make sure if you're going to get any of their lenses, check out their website. I will put a link to their website down below. Make sure you use my coupon code for some money off. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, let me zoom you guys in. So again, the contacts that I am wearing are the Ttdeye contact lenses in the shade Polar Lights Brown. I did a review on them. I will link the review up here because a lot of you asked me to review them. I also have a discount code. I will put it on the screen right here. Get some money off. I will also put the discount code in the description box down below. So let's get started. This is the way that I look. It's supposed to look. So first I am going to use the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to show you guys which colors I'm using. It looks like this. And let me zoom it out a little bit. Here it is. Like this. So I'm going to be using 1, 2. So it's like a lighter brown, a medium brown, and then I'm going to be using red, and then I'm going to be using this copper shade right here, like a mixture of these two. So, and then from the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, I'll show you guys which colors I'm going to be using there. So I will also list all the products in the description box down below. So now let us get started. Popping that a little bit above my crease, just as my transition shade. The light brown and the color next to it. Okay, then I'm going to go into the red shade. Next to it. Then I'm going to use this napkin. Press it up against it. I did this in my last tutorial. I'll also link my last tutorial up above so you can check it out if you haven't seen it. So we're doing this. And then I'm gonna go into the copperish types of colors. See, and it creates that sharp line. Then I'm going to blend that out. Okay. Now for the bronzy type color, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm going to be using this color right here. I'm going to wet this brush a little bit and pack it on. It's called Caramelized. It looks so pretty. It's like the perfect bronze shade. I'm gonna put that, as you can see, right there, and just a little bit like up to here. Oh my god, this color is like gorgeous. Shout out to everybody who wanted this color, this like copper and bronze color. Super pretty. Now for the outer part, I'm going to go back in and get that copper color, pack it on, and just connect it. Here, perfect. And now for the bottom, I'm going to put the copper shade and then the caramel shade like towards the front, so I'll speed this part up. Okay, so now I'm going to do liner and lashes. I have a whole video on how I did it. I'll link it in the top so you can check it out when you get a chance, and I'll just zoom through that part, okay? Here's how the eyes look. And they look gorgeous. Alright, I'm gonna zoom you guys out, finish up my face. Alright, and here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Click that bell notification, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know what other makeup looks you want to see with a comment down below. I will see you all soon. Bye!